Woody Panda.
What's up, Smedley?
Here comes Woody, dressed like a ghost.
I wonder what he's up to this time.
Guess he thinks he can fool us. Hey, gang, get ready. Woody's coming. Woody's coming.
I can hardly wait.
Me either.
Let's give him a trick or treat.
No treats, just tricks. Ah!
Quiet! Quiet, everybody! Here he comes!
Trick or treat.
Okay, fellas, turn it on!
I said trick or treat. Something phony around here. I'm getting all the tricks and no treats. Oh, come on. Open up. Trick or treat. Hey, it's me, your old pal. Okay, that's enough tricks, wise guys. Trick or treat. So it's tricks they want? I'll show them.
Going right through the wall!
It's me. Hey, gang, look. It's Woody.
Woody?
Woody?
Woody who?
Woody Woodpecker.
You're just in time for the big party.
We're gonna do the spookin' nanny.
The spookin' nanny?
Yeah, the spookin' nanny.
What are we waiting for? All set, let's go.
Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Haunting all the houses in town. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Jack-o'-lanterns laughing with delight. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Anything can happen tonight. Here come the witches, flying on the sticks, hanging from their brooms a bag of tricks. Strange things can happen before your very eyes. Magic tricks, you'll be surprised. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Owls a hootin', give you quite a scare. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. If the moon is hiding, beware. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Dancing on the ceiling, upside down. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Grinning pumpkins in the window glow. Spook, 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 spookin' nanny. Watching out for gremlins to show.